frequently work outside, either around the house or even in a deep woods environment, then you need the SharpAL all-in-one knife, pruner, and tool sharpener. This is the most versatile sharpener for knives, pruners, scissors, mower blades, head shears, machetes, axes, you name it. The body is oversized so you can use it wearing your work gloves. And it has a guard at the front to protect your hands. It features a tungsten carbide sharpener set at an optimal angle for getting a good, clean edge fast on your knife blade. A ceramic sharpener underneath for scissors and fine honing. Next to that is a flat tungsten carbide sharpener for head shears and coarse sharpening. There is a preset wider angle tungsten carbide sharpener on the back for larger angle blades such as axes and hatchets. And another tungsten carbide preset angle sharpener on the front for pruners and shears. Let's begin with the tungsten carbide sharpener on the top. This is for coarse sharpening and quick edge setting to help restore your straight double beveled knife edge in several strokes. The arrow shows the proper direction for pulling the blade through. Make sure the sharpener is on a flat surface and that the knife blade is inserted fully and vertically into the sharpening slot at a 90-degree angle to the sharpener, and that the cutting edge line is parallel to the flat surface. Then pull the full length of the blade through from heel to tip. Your pressure, combined with the weight of the all-in-one and its rubber base, will help keep it safely in place while you work. For longer blades with single beveled edges like hedge trimmers, the tungsten carbide sharpener that is right next to the ceramic sharpener is the perfect tool for the job. Simply hold the tool firmly by the handle, then push and stroke the sharpener along the blade to sharpen the edge. This will work for straight blades and curved hedge trimmer blades as well. Then, with a few more strokes on the ceramic sharpener, you can really hone that edge. This is versatile, so you can use it on almost anything. But this is designed to work great for honing scissors after coarse sharpening with the tungsten carbide sharpener. Simply push and stroke the sharpener several times along the full length of the cutting edge. The tungsten carbide preset angle sharpener on the front is engineered with a slim head so you can sharpen your curved blades with single beveled edges like pruners and loppers. Just place the sharpener on that curved edge blade, making sure the edge is resting on the bottom of the V-notch slot. Then pull the full length of the blade across from heel to tip several times. This will bring back that good sharp edge. This is also the ideal tool for sharpening lawnmower blades. This wider angle tungsten carbide sharpener on the back of the all-in-one is ideal for sharpening those larger blades like an axe or machete. Secure the tool in a mounted vise, then pull the sharpener across the full length of the blade several times to bring back that good sharp edge. Sharper blades mean faster work and cleaner cuts, which results in a healthier yard and